Hi, this is Matt and you're watching PowerPoint Math. In this video, you will learn how to subtract polynomials. Before we subtract polynomials, let's first recall this. Like terms are terms with the same variables and powers. Consider this example. If you notice, the variable and power of 2ab raised to the power of 2 and negative 9ab raised to the power of 2 is the same. Thus, we could say that these two terms are like terms. Now, the other terms of the same variable, it's a and b, but their exponent is not the same, so they are not like terms. Also, constants are like terms. So in this example, 2 and 4 are constant. Therefore, they are considered as like terms. The other two terms are not like terms because their variables are different. Before we proceed, here's a rule that you must remember. You can only add or subtract terms if they are like terms. Here, I have two constants, 5 and 2. Since constants are like terms, then we can subtract these numbers. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. But what if I change 5 to 5x? Can I still subtract the two terms? The answer is no, because 5x and 2 are not like terms. So the difference of 5x and 2 would still be 5x minus 2. Now what if I change 2 to 2x? Are they like terms now? Yes, they are. And since they are like terms, then we can subtract the two terms. Here's how you subtract numbers with variables. First, subtract their coefficient. The coefficients are 5 and 2. So that's just 5 minus 2. The answer would be 3. Next is you copy the variable. Since the variable that are common to them is x, then we simply copy x. So the final answer is 3x. Now you know the basics. Let's try this one. Here we have to find the difference of 3x raised to the power of 3 minus 3x raised to the power of 2 plus 3x and 2x raised to the power of 3 minus 5x squared minus 2x. Just like how we subtract large numbers, the first step is to rewrite the expression in vertical form and make sure that the like terms are aligned. In this example, the like terms are already aligned. Step 2. Subtract the coefficients of like terms, then copy the variables. Let's start from here. That's 3x minus negative 2x. 3 minus negative 2 is 5. Then copy the variable which is x. Here we have negative 3x raised to the power of 2 minus negative 5x raised to the power of 2. So that's just negative 3 minus negative 5. The answer would be positive 2. Then copy the variable part which is x raised to the power of 2. Lastly, we have 3x raised to the power of 3 minus 2x raised to the power of 3. That's just 3 minus 2 which is equal to 1. Then copy the variable which is x raised to the power of 3. So that's just 1x raised to the power of 3, or simply write x raised to the power of 3. And this would be the final answer. Let's have another example. Let's subtract these polynomials. So again, first step, rewrite the expression in vertical form and align like terms. Notice that 2x and negative 4x raised to the power of 2 are not like terms. So we need to move negative 4x raised to the power of 2 below 8x raised to the power of 2. We do this because the two terms are like terms. Just to make the equation not empty, let's put positive 0x. Anyway, the coefficient is just 0, so the value of this is also 0. And you're not breaking any rule here. Step 2. Subtract the coefficients of like terms, then copy the variables. Here we have 2 minus negative 5. The answer is just positive 7. Next we have 2x plus 0x. Again, since 0x is just 0, then let's just bring down 2x. Lastly, we have 8x raised to the power of 2 minus negative 4x raised to the power of 2. That's just 8 minus negative 4. And the answer is positive 12. Then, you simply copy the variable which is x raised to the power of 2. So, the final answer would be 12x raised to the power of 2 plus 2x plus 7.